Cart Confessions Season 5, Episode 10, 11, 12. And I've got Amber Turner in the house today. Actually, I've got Amber Turner on the golf cart today.
On the golf cart.
Yes. I'm a little loud, aren't I?
That's all right.
But it's a beautiful morning, isn't it?
It is. It's gorgeous out here.
Nice. So, Amber Turner, what would you like to confess to this morning?
What would I like to confess to this morning? I have to tell you.
Wait a minute. She's ready to tell us. What do you have to tell us?
I have to tell you that a lot of the Broadway musicals that I talk about to my students or to patrons, I've never even seen.
Wait a minute.
Yeah.
You work for the Public
I
Theater
work
of
for
Kentucky?
the Public Theater of Kentucky.
And the Broadway musicals that you talk about?
I know just enough about them to talk about them.
I like it. Oh my goodness. That's a true confession here, guys. Be sure to go like the Public Theater of Kentucky page.
Yes.
Be sure when you go in and see Amber, you ask her about the latest Broadway musical that she's seen.
I'll talk it up.
No, I said the one that you've seen.
Oh, the one that I've
Yes,
seen?
the one that you've seen. That's going to be pretty epic right there.
It would be.
Yeah.
It would be.
So Amber Turner is going to talk to you when you go like that page and you start messaging. Wait a minute. They come in and see you.
Yeah.
You're going to talk about musicals.
I'll talk about musicals.
The ones that you've seen.
I'll talk about musicals all day. The ones I've seen and the ones I haven't seen.
All right, cool. Guys, I tell you what, be sure to go like the Public Theater of Kentucky Facebook page.
Yes.
Give it a share, give it a like. And if you haven't seen some of the musicals that they put on, what do you have coming up? This is going to air on the 18th, so what do you have coming up after the 18th?
Well, we're just finishing up our camps, and after the 18th, we have our season announcement. So we'll be announcing next season.
All right.
And we do have some musicals in our lineup next season, and we've got some classics. It's pretty exciting.
Are they musicals that you've seen?
Yes. I
Oh.
can say that I have seen these.
Oh, okay. Look, I thought I was going to get her. The musicals she's seen. Okay, good deal. So you'll be announcing those.
I will be, and I'd love to share it with you, but, you know, I can't just yet.
Oh, so you know what you'll have to do? Go like the Public Theater of Kentucky Facebook page so you'll get the updates.
Yes.
So they will get the
You'll be
updates
the
when you
first
make
to
that
know.
announcement.
Yes.
Awesome. Well, thanks for joining me
Thank
today on
you.
Golf Cart Confessions.
Thank you.
I really appreciate it.
No problem. Thanks for having me.
You're welcome. So, that was Season 5, Episode 10, 11, 12. I don't know. Who will we interview next? It could be